Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic day. You should be, with how far the market has bounced. Definitely those bulls have come in and bought up shares and bought up the market and have put money into the market. You can see it really bouncing upwards, which is really wonderful. So far, month to date though, still down, but down 2.26%, year to date at 151.84%. We are starting to make a nice recovery. Things are looking good. And in this video, I am going to recap what happened during the market day. And I'm also going to give you a stock at the end to help you to be successful that should do really well based upon the catalysts that have happened. And I'm going to talk about that here in a lot. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. Also, if you are curious about my opinion on a stock, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section below. Two heads are better than one. Just keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence and be responsible for your own portfolio. I have some links down below in the description down below. We have links to Webull. I use it each and every day. Love to use it. If you are looking for free stocks and a powerful broker, I recommend you check it out. We have a link in the description down below. Also, we have BlockFi. We have a link for BlockFi down below. So if you want some free cryptocurrency, please click on that link. And if you're looking to earn interest on your cryptocurrency while you hold it, this is a great way to do it. I love using BlockFi and I will do that. I have a lot of Ethereum and I just continue to hold it. I'm very bullish on Ethereum over the long haul. And so I just earn my interest on it and reinvest it and go from there. If you're looking for a powerful group, we also have a link to our Patreon group down below. There are lots of fantastic people inside that group, lots of different levels to help you to be successful. And if you are looking for stock ideas, there are lots of them floating around each and every day. For the small amount that it costs, it will be well worth it. It's best not to go it alone. Okay, so fantastic market day. How wonderful has it been on this Tuesday? Has really been terrific. And bulls have bought the dip. So let's cover and start to take a look at the market, and let's start with the SPY. Now, the market is currently open right now at the time I'm recording this video, and so it is right around noon here in Central Time Zone. So there's a couple hours left on the market, but I have some things going on and I wanted to make sure and get this video out. So as you can see here, there has been a big buy up of this gap. That gap is no more. It is gone. It has been bought up, and really nice bounce and filled that gap from before, and then a bounce upwards, and we could see new all-time highs in the next few days based on how this is bouncing. It's very powerful. And what's been most powerful is the Russell and the Russell 2000. The Russell has really bounced up, so up 2.63% on the day at the time of day that this is going, and I'm expecting it to go even further. You know, I felt that the fear was unwarranted and that the market would bounce, and it has bounced over and over again year after year. All right, we also have the VIX that has dropped down to 20 but hasn't gotten below 20. That would be a lot more bullish for us to see it get below 20 and close below 20. So that is something to watch for. It's important to pay attention to the VIX because when it spikes above 20, we have a higher chance of entering into a correction. So it's still a little unsure. We don't have a trend quite yet. The market has been moving lower, and that has been the trend just on the very short term. Over the long term, we are still bullish, and I believe that the market will continue to move upwards. Okay, so yesterday I did some talking in yesterday's video. If you missed it, I was talking about the straddle and strangle options play, and I talked about ARDX that had bad news come out, and I got a little lucky with that call, but man, was it fantastic. I sold my puts. So I sold my puts for a 457% gain, if you were curious how that all worked out this morning. And now I am guaranteed 100 178% gain on the entire trade. So most likely my calls are going to go completely worthless, and that is okay. I was playing the volatility that it was going to either move up or down. I didn't know which direction it was going to go. Anyway, if you are looking for plays like this, then the premium room is for you of our Patreon. It was a fantastic trade. Look forward to the next one. Should be really, really great. Okay, so now let's get to that stock that I think is going to go nuts. And this is the stock pick that you need to be paying attention to. I'm going to do a lot of talking, and we're going to kind of dive a little deeper. And the stock that I'm going to talk to you about today is Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY. Yesterday had insider activity that was extremely significant by Harriet Edelman. Bought shares at $27.26, looking for a fantastic move upwards, and this should scare some shorts. This also has a short float of 21.4%, so I think we can squeeze very, very hard. Analysts have an average target price of $31.53. My average is $27.51. Since calling this out, it is up 3.79%, but I believe it's going to squeeze a lot further. There are a lot of people who need to cover on this particular stock, and so it could be a big squeeze coming. I think we could see levels as high as $40 again. And if we break through that level, we could go much, much higher. So I'm very, very bullish on Bed Bath & Beyond. And if you are watching this video, it has not climbed too high yet. This will be a good time to get in and should be able to make some substantial gains off of it. With that short float percentage, I am expecting this to have a MACD cross, and we are seeing positive momentum on the RSI with the insider activity and the high short float. I think all of those things are the perfect storm for Bed Bath & Beyond. This is a company that is not going to go out of business. You don't have to worry about that. I feel very confident that this is going to be a fantastic move. Well, I wish all of you the best on the stock market. Let's have a fantastic rest of the week, and please remember to do good with your profits. Till next time, Raythoven out.